So here's a modification I've been wanting to do for quite a while to this bike, and I've been putting it off. So I've bought a slip-on exhaust by Delkevic. Wasn't really worried about getting a well-known brand, and I thought that this, from its reviews, it looked suitable for what I want. That looks like the silencer that comes with it. I'll be taking that out. Ooh, that's a nice looking pipe. Alright, so I've taken the rear bolt off, the middle bolt off, and loosened up the clamp at the front, and now I'll pull the stock exhaust off. Now that I have the stock exhaust off, I'll put the Delkevic on. New exhaust, I've attached this section on and left loose so that I can fit it on and then move it around. Well, this is what the bike sounds like before fitting the exhaust. And this is after mounting and tightening all the bolts on the exhaust, and now we'll see what it sounds like. And this is without the silencer. And this is what the bike sounds like after fitting the Delkevic exhaust. I'm gonna have like a skip section. It's just gonna come up in one go. In the video. Let's do a video on one of these. I was like, neat. Oh, yes! Now that I have the stock exhaust off, I'll put the Delkevic on.
In the meantime, we'll start it without an exhaust on it.
Should we?
Yeah.
This is what it sounds like without an exhaust. Alright, that's my new exhaust. Right, shut up cunts, I'm going to do sound now.